Hi, I'm Katie and I'm here to show you a new hairstyle. This time I'm coming to you from the front yard that I grew up in Tucson, Arizona. And that saguaro that you see behind me, I was once taller than it. So I have a center parting here, but it's slightly off center as well, as you can see. And when you want a slightly off center parting, make sure to compensate for it in the back. So it's curved around, so I still have the same amount of hair on both sides. I'm starting further back here with the Dutch braid. If you're not familiar with how to Dutch braid, I will put a link there above for you to look at that. And I'm pulling all the hair into the Dutch braid, making a pigtail. Pull your pieces fairly tight and then secure with an elastic. Now arrange the front as you would like and move on to the opposite side. Start the braid where you would like it to lie and Dutch braid back. I like to start further back because it has a little bit more of an adult look to it rather than schoolgirl or sporty. And for those of you that are new to my channel, all my hairstyles are designed with the health of your hair in mind. My hair is heatless, non-toxic, and vegan, and I've never had hair this long before in my life. So that is a good testament to what is going into my body and onto my hair. And I want to encourage all of you to take the same care with your hair and your health. Now that we have both pigtails completed, I want to pull on each link to flare it out like a giant petal. And you get the best effect here if you were pretty tight with your stitches. Now that both sides are done, I'd like to hide those hair elastics. I'm traveling today back to my home, several hours in the car, and I don't want any pins poking me. Otherwise, I would be using bobby pins. This time I'm just grabbing a little bit of hair, wrapping it around a couple times, maybe a few more times, to hide the elastic, whatever you like the look of. And then once it's all the way around, you need to push it upwards and find that elastic again. Pull out just one piece, tuck your hair into it, and pull it snug. And then repeat the process on the other side. Just be careful when you are taking these out again. If you use clear elastics, they will break more easily, and you'll be able to get them out of your hair without causing any damage. That is the completed look. If you like this hairstyle, please do give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. I will see you again next week.